M7102DW. The Pantum M7102DW is a multifunction 3-in-1 laser sublimation printer that can print, copy, and scan with an ADF. It can print fast and high-definition black and white documents at up to 33 ppm, A4/35 ppm, letter, and supports multiple media sizes with a weight of up to 200 g/. It features an ADF scan with a maximum scan size of 216 by 356 mm and can scan to email, PC, FTP, and USB drive with a high ADF scanning speed of up to 24 ppm, A4/25 ppm, letter. This sublimation printer is easy to install wirelessly and can connect with high-speed USB 2.0, network, and Wi-Fi, and supports mobile device printing with the Pantum app for iOS and Android systems. This sublimation printer comes with a separate drum and toner, a starter cartridge capacity of 1,500 pages, and a drum unit lifetime of 12,000 pages. The product includes a 1-year standard warranty from the date of purchase, with Pantum online customer service available. If you like this printer, click on the link mentioned in the description box below to get it. These are the top 5 sublimation printers available on the market today. Each one offers a unique set of features and capabilities that make them perfect for different types of businesses and home offices. If you like these best sublimation printers for dark shirts, then click on the link in the description box to purchase your desired printer, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.